So, Luisa, what's in your mind first of all when it comes to what is your biggest worry right now about tax season?
About tax season is that a lot of people are going to be confused and they're going to be like, what do I do? Where do I go? Especially with everything that is happening right now with the pandemic. I mean, we thought that the pandemic, it was going to be something that it was just going to be here for a few months, but no, right? It's one of those things that,
years.
Yes, that is now here to stay. So with that being said, we know that they're being given advance payments to families that have little ones. So the family payments that are being given is $250, $300 a month. Since the month of July, it was just an assistance to help people with the pandemic that were struggling with money.
Right.
So one of the things that worries me a lot, and not only me, and I've been preparing my tax preparer since the month of August because of this same reason. They've been on training for all these months because we're preparing for our clients that they're not going to know how this advanced child payment works. I don't know if you're familiar with this, Andrea, but the advanced child payment, like I said, it was money that it was advanced to the taxpayers, right. $250, $300 a month. So now a lot of people are getting it when they're not supposed to be getting it.
Okay.
So what is going to happen is that now they're going to have to repay it back.
Wow.
When they do their taxes.
Wow. So you're going to be the bad guy.
Yes. So as it is, the economy, how it is,
yeah.
Inflation, people losing jobs.
Right.
So how are we going to tell these clients, hey, you have to pay this money back? You're used to getting a refund, but now you owe money.
Oh,
that's one of my biggest concerns, especially this tax season. And let's not even talk about that IRS is so behind on their work.
Yeah, I was just yesterday I was reading in the Wall Street Journal that if you are doing a paper return, you will be stuck for a while. You have to try to do, according to this article that I read, you have to try to do everything in the system, because if you don't do it in the system, if there's like, let's say the IRS knows you as Jose Pablo and you're Pablo Jose, you better be Jose Pablo, because otherwise it's going to get stuck. And they're still behind responding from the things of last year. So just like us, just like everybody else, they're having problems with the people, having enough people to work for them. So therefore, if you don't do this systematic and use technology to the best of your ability, your customers might get stuck.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. So you have to be, like you said, you have to be very careful when you file taxes. You have to utilize the electronic transmission as much as possible. There's cases where it's impossible to send them electronically, so you have to send them by mail. So those are the ones that you say they're going to take forever. And also, if you send something like last year, we were struggling with people that were claiming the stimulus payment that they were not receiving.
Right.
So we were helping them claim that stimulus, and those take forever to be processed. And there's so many things that you can do now as a tax preparer to help your client get a little bit more money, a bigger refund. However, when we help them, it's new credits. So the software, the IRS e-filing system, it's a system that they just built, that they're trying to do. So it's new, it's a new credit.
Yeah.
So it's not like it's working perfectly like other years, like the regular credits. Now everything is new. So that's why it's like clients from last year, they're still waiting to get their refund. So that's what it's scary. Like there's a lot of things. I mean, not to scare our taxpayers or our clients, but it's one of those seasons that I tell clients, like, I know before it was okay, go to do it on your own, do TurboTax, do this. It was okay. I was even telling my clients, hey, if you have a simple W-2, only one job, I mean, you don't have to pay anyone. If you have the knowledge, you can pretty much do it yourself, right?
Right.
But this tax season is not the year. This year is not the year for you to go and try to do it yourself.